guys, what's up? Welcome back to What's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a chocolate beetroot brownie that's vegan, thanks to Audi and having vegan chocolate. Tools you'll need: a grater. You can have a four-sided one if you have one. This is just what I have, one-sided one. Some scales, wooden spoon or a spatula, it's up to you, metal bowl, and a brownie tray. I'm using one of these because this is what I have in my house. This recipe will fit a brownie tray perfectly. Ingredients: we got white sugar or caster sugar, it's up to you, plain flour, water, oil, I'm going to pick up both, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, Audi chocolate block, make sure you get the block, and one beetroot or about 200 grams of beetroot, and some vanilla essence. Alright, starting off, grab your bowl, sugar, water, oil, sorry, then your water. Give it a good mix to get it going. This is easier, but I find this better overall. You just trying to incorporate it a little bit. You're not going to get it fully done because you do that with the rest of it. Add your flour. Doesn't matter if you still have a few lumps in there, they will settle themselves out. Cocoa. All the measurements for all this stuff's in the description in the recipe. Baking powder, salt, vanilla. Give it another good mix. Sorry for the shaky cam. Alright, once that's done, you can do this into a different bowl and into it. I just go straight into it. Grate the beetroot and leave the skin on, it's not bad for you. Probably wear gloves so you don't get red all over your hands. Just make sure you wash the beetroot before you grate it. You don't want the dirt in there. Get all the beetroot off. Mix it in. It looks like a lot of beetroot. It's a good way to hide veggies from the kids if you don't want your kids to see the veggies. Next part, grab your chocolate. That's the chocolate that I grabbed. It's soy based, so it's all good. Grab it out. And you can just rough chop this, like you don't have to be precise. Just run the knife through it a couple of times. The finer you make it, the more it'll melt. The bigger you leave it, the more you'll get into the actual bowl. Oh, like at the end you'll see more chocolate. the mix. Grab your tray, pour it in. That's it. Grab your brownie into the oven, 180, for about 40 minutes or until it's cooked. I'll be back in a bit. Alrighty, let's grab the brownie out of the oven. So that's the brownie there. It's firm to touch. Will be a bit soft if you put a skewer in it or something like that. Just let it sit for at least 15-20 minutes before you cut into it, and that's a brownie. Serve it with some ice cream, vegan ice cream, cream. You make up something. I'll have some examples at the end of this. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and check out my new website that's just been come up. That's all. Have a good day. See you in the next week.